I tried Moonbeam Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Moonbeam Wallet app, I wasn't sure what to expect. It's part of the Polkadot ecosystem, which means it's built for speed, cross-chain compatibility, and innovation. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is this Moonbeam might be one of the smoothest multi-chain wallets that hardly anyone talks about. On day 1, setup was effortless. You create or import a wallet, and within seconds you can access assets across different blockchains, not just Moonbeam's native tokens. That's already a big win for people tired of switching wallets for every network. By day 3, I began exploring dApps and staking options. The wallet integrates directly with decentralized apps on Moonbeam, making it feel like a full DeFi hub, not just a storage tool. Transactions were incredibly fast, and the gas fees were almost non-existent, a fraction of what you'll pay on Ethereum. By day 5, I started testing token bridges. Moving assets between Moonbeam, Polkadot, and Ethereum felt surprisingly smooth. Most wallets struggle with bridging delays or failed transactions, but here, everything just worked. By day 7, the shocking truth became clear. Moonbeam Wallet is far more capable than it gets credit for. It's secure, flexible, and built for the future of Web. The interface is clean, the performance is solid, and it gives you true control across multiple networks. The only downside? It's still relatively new, so not every token or app integrates yet. But if you're early to the Polkadot or cross-chain ecosystem, Moonbeam Wallet is one to watch. It's not just a crypto wallet, it's a glimpse of where blockchain usability is heading.